Oh man, I'm so excited.
Yeah, I know, right?
Hey, wait. Why are you out here running again?
We're training for the Race to Rebuild.
Race to Rebuild. What's that?
It's a 5K and project day.
To help all of the people in our area who were affected by Superstorm Sandy.
Sandy was terrible, and we were all evacuated. Wait, that was like 3 years ago. Why are we still worried about it now?
It was 3 years ago, but people are still living with the devastation of Sandy.
People are still out of their homes. Family are still feeling the pain of the storm.
Wow, you're right. We still have a lot to rebuild. But how is the 5K going to help us rebuild from Sandy?
The race is raising money, which will be used directly towards important Sandy recovery projects.
Plus, there are going to be community-wide projects after the race, including helping rebuild a house badly damaged by the storm.
And restoring our borough's beauty.
And filling up snack bags for children in need.
OMG. There's so many great things going on during one day to help rebuild our community.
We didn't even tell you about the Zombie Ready Disaster Preparedness game for the kids. It's the same day as the Ragamuffin Parade, so the kids can come in costume.
What about the breakfast and lunch that will be reserved for volunteers?
Or the after party at 4 p.m.
That does it. I'm in. How do I volunteer, and where and when does it start?
The race is on Saturday, October 24th. Activities start at 8 a.m. and it's at the John Stevens Field on Redneck Ave.
The racer can register at racetorebuild.org or at southbergenrotary.com. Plus, there are tons of info on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Volunteers just need to come and root on the racers and sign up for which activity they would like to do to help out our community.
I'm registering today. In the meantime, do you mind if I join you? I need to start training too, so I can make sure I'm ready to race to rebuild Moonachie.
Spread the word. The race to rebuild our community begins with you.